Ready? Up. You good? Up, Lauren, you good? Yeah. Alright, so starting off with a sugar top looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. To fix the hand, we end up with this reverse hand hold. You will lead hand on top. We just do an underarm turn to fix the hand.
So sugar top. 1, 2, start raising it. 3 hand, just for height. 4 hand height.
My forehand height.
Point the fingers toward, rotate it there, where was it? Turn.
Let it absorb. Leads, you can let that shoulder come back a little bit to absorb her so it doesn't feel like a brick wall. 3 and don't leave early. Wait till 4. This is the radius of the turn. My arm right here. 4, 5, and 6. We're making sure this isn't in here. It's comfortably out here. And it's not going over my head. This is the radius, so it's a little bit wide. 4, 5, and 6 follows. When we step, I'm going to do this like 1, 2, 3, and 4. I nail my foot to the floor and just rotate around it, my right foot. I rotate my anchor.
We also talked about always the bend in all patterns, whenever we end on the anchor. No matter what we do, we don't want everyone a straight arm, we always want a little bend in the arm. Okay. Did the basket?
We did the sugar tuck from handshake hold. We did that with left side pass off the hand, just put her hand from that hand into your handshake hand. And then we're going to do the sugar tuck with handshake hold. Leaders, you're just making sure that it feels just like the other one to me. So before this hand is over here, now this hand is over here. Before this hand is here, now that hand. Cross your body. 3 and 4, 5, and 6. To get out of this hand hold, we did a push break. We just draped her head off her bloating compression and slid down to get into regular, our opposite hand hold. We just do a basic push break to reconnect in this way if you want. But this is also a nice way to end up in a left-to-left hand hold. Okay? What follows? We know not to follow this hand because it means you're taking it right down the center of your hand. The back of your hand is here. It's not leading you to turn with the palm of your hand.
My knuckles are always right there. It's going to be
and right down the center versus any rotation. Okay? And then a basket, we did basket whip 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can reconnect if you want 2 hands again. If you don't need it. You can slide down. You can start with 2 hands, or you can just offer. Follow and take it. So these have exact what footwork. Mine is a little different. 1, 2, 3, and slight back 4. My 3 is forward, 3, and slight back 4. Bigger 5, bigger 6, anchor 7, and 8. Leads, you're making sure you're getting onto that other rail.
Bigger 4, make sure it's not here. So we step that. It's outside. 5, 6, 7, 8.
The hands are one high, one low. No strangler, no choker. Follows, keep a little bit of tone in your arm. Leads are also keeping some tone to stop her with 3 in. So it's a little bit